Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So today's going to be a quick tutorial, and it's pretty much just how to delete a Facebook account. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So when you're on the actual Facebook page itself, if you click on the top right of the logo, you'll get this display, and you'll see from here you'll have the settings and privacy, help and support, display and accessibility, give feedback, and a log out. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on the settings and privacy. And once you've selected on the settings and privacy, just on the top there you'll see the settings. Of course you'll also have the privacy checkup, privacy center, activity log, feed and language. We don't need to worry about any of that. All you would need to do is select on the settings. So once you've selected the settings, you will see basically on the left side of the screen an area where it shows the general, security, and login and your Facebook information. Now it's all on the left side, as you can see. So this is pretty much the full screen here. So within the left side, you'll see you've got the general, security, and login, your Facebook information, privacy, profile, and tagging, public posts, blocking, etc. So you don't need to worry about any of the ones from privacy and below. All you would need to do is select on your Facebook information. So once you've selected your Facebook information, this is pretty much the screen you'll see. So you'll have your Facebook information, you've got access to your information as well. You can transfer a copy of your information, download your information, activity log, off Facebook activity, managing your information. But the most important one that we need to look at is the deactivation and deletion. So you can temporarily deactivate your account if you wanted to. You can permanently delete your account as well. So pretty much all you would need to do is select the view. And once you've selected the view, this is the next screen you'll get. So as you can see, deactivation and deletion, just to make sure you guys could see that. And this is the next screen you'll get. So deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. So if you want to take a break from Facebook, you can deactivate your account. If you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, let us know. So as you can see, there's a temporary version, and delete this account means that you can't retrieve your content, information that you shared on Facebook, and your messenger is pretty much deleted as well. So just double check if you want to do that, if you want to go ahead and delete the account. You can also deactivate the account if you wanted to, depending if you don't want to use Facebook itself, but you want to keep using Messenger. By all means, use the deactivation. But yes, just precautionary if you want to delete the account. That means within that own email, you would have to create a new account within using that new email or that old email, and of course a new password. You won't be able to log into your previous account that you once had when you have selected the delete account. But of course, once you are happy enough to delete the account, you'll get a warning or a message. If you want to continue, then that's pretty much it. So guys, if you have any questions at all regarding the video, please do let us know. That's pretty much the end of the video. Hopefully it has helped. Yes, as I said, please do leave comments on the section below, comment section below, just to let us know how we got on with the video. Yes, I'll see you guys for the next one. Thank you very much.